An 18-month-old baby who was abducted in Montego Bay, St. James on Monday has been returned and is now with the Child Protection and Family Services Agency. The St. James police say crime-fighting technology played a major role in the child's return. The head of the police division provided an update at today's municipal corporation meeting. It was about 10:30 Monday morning that 18-month-old Akelia Patton was snatched from her mother's arms on Humber Avenue in Montego Bay, St. James. Exactly 3 days later, almost to the hour, head of the St. James Police Division, Superintendent Vernon Ellis, updated a St. James Municipal Corporation meeting.
That the child that was abducted is safe in the hands of the Jamaica Constabulary Force.
The toddler was dropped off at a health facility shortly after 10 o'clock Thursday morning. Superintendent Ellis praised the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime CTOC unit, which he says collaborated with the parish police in investigating and pursuing the abductors. He refused to give much detail about the case, indicating that operations and investigations are still ongoing. However, he noted that technology played a key role in her release.
It's good when the security forces can use technology, very advanced technology. We can work in a professional way that forces criminals to surrender to the security forces without us having to use deadly force.
Reports of the abduction increased fears among residents, particularly parents in the parish. However, the police say there is no need for panic, as this was a one-off situation.
There are some underlying things that I cannot discuss at this point, but it's not a situation where persons are walking around and trying to abduct kids in St. James. This one was unique.